Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing good. And in today's video, I want to share a usual concern which I'm getting a lot of question about, and that is how to get rid of back acne. And I'm personally someone who has suffered back acne, especially in the summers, guys. I got that little bumps, especially in this area. So yes, I have recently started taking care of my skin, and I take care of my back skin just as I take care of my face skin. So I'm gonna be sharing my back skincare routine with you guys. Without further ado, let's quickly dive in. Now guys, for a reason I know that we get acne on our back because this is the skin we do not take care of a lot. So yes, there we have clogged follicles and then we get it waxed and we do not take care of it. So that is the main reason we get acne in there. The bacteria feeds and it just proliferates and looks very bad. So today, to clean my skin thoroughly, I will be using Mamaearth Upton body wash. It consists of turmeric and saffron. It doesn't have any harmful chemicals or parabens or silicone, guys, and it has saffron, glycerine, turmeric and walnut shell powder. Now we all know that saffron is great for the skin radiance and it also helps in cell repair. Turmeric helps in making your skin glow, and walnut shell powder helps in exfoliating the upper layer of your skin, and glycerine helps in hydrating the skin, making it soft and supple. Now these are the hero ingredient in this product, and because it is going to be summer, it is going to be sweaty and there is going to be a lot of accumulation of dirt and bacteria on your skin. So this body wash is going to be ideal for you guys. Just take a little bit of this, coin size is going to be enough, on a loofah or a glove, and exfoliate the dead skin cells. It also helps in making your skin glow and it will deeply clean your skin. After that, I just remove it off and it is gonna leave you feeling refreshed. If you use my code RITU2022, you're gonna get extra 20% off. The brand is plastic positive, guys. They recycle more plastic than they use, and the products are available on Amazon, Mamaearth and Nykaa. These are natural products and chemical free. So what are you waiting for? Just go, and the links are gonna be in the description box below. Also, Mamaearth has launched its official app, so you can go and download from the link given in the description box. So once you're done with cleaning the skin thoroughly, make sure that twice a week you're using a good scrub. I usually go for a coffee scrub. If you do not have a scrub at home, you can definitely make one. Little bit of sugar, coffee and almond oil, olive oil, you're gonna be good to go. Just exfoliate the skin thoroughly. Just do it for good 2 to 3 minutes and it will make sure that it remove all the dirt, grime, the traces of bacteria from your back. Now you have clean surface to work on. Now, as we take care of the face, once we come out of shower, we make sure that you're using a toner. And I am going to be using a toner which has glycolic acid in it, and I will be using Pixie's toner. It has glycolic acid, it has vitamin C, which helps in exfoliating the skin and makes it glow. It is working very nicely for my face and also for my back, guys. So yes, this is the next thing I use. Also, just make sure that you're not going for wax. Summers are already here, so make sure that you're shaving it. I will also tell you the way to shave it in some other video of mine. After that, once we are done with this, make sure again that you are applying an exfoliating serum. And recently, guys, I am using 1% HA and 10% lactic acid. Gently helps in exfoliating the dead skin cells from your skin, and if you have any kind of marks, it also helps in healing it away. Also, it provides hydration to your skin, which makes it look very glowing. Now guys, if you are going out in the sun or even if you're staying at home, if you have a skin which has acne and acne marks, so use a good sunscreen. It is very essential. If you're going on a beach or if you're going in sun, just make sure that you are applying a good SPF cream or a good SPF gel to safeguard your skin against those harmful UVA and UVB rays. So yes, if you follow all of these steps, you will definitely see a positive change in your skin and also in your acne. So this was the little video I really wanted to share with you guys. So yeah, we are done here, and I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you guys so much.